Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got something truly special for all the car lovers out there. We're diving deep into the full review of a modern reimagining of an automotive icon, the 2025 Karmann Ghia. That's right. After years of whispers and render concepts, the legendary nameplate has returned, and it's bringing a whole lot more than just nostalgia. Let's get right into it. As we take our first look, the design instantly tells us this isn't just a retro tribute. It's a sleek fusion of vintage charm and futuristic sophistication. Up front, you'll notice how the grille-less nose keeps its smooth, unbroken lines, just like the original. The LED headlamps are oval and tucked in beautifully, with a glowing edge that harks back to the 60s without feeling out of place today. The bumper is integrated neatly, finished in satin chrome, and it flows into the lower air dam, which houses intelligent airflow flaps for improved aerodynamics. It's modern, clean, and elegant, but still unmistakably Ghia. Moving to the side, the silhouette is pure sculpture. A gently sloping roofline meets bold, muscular fenders that subtly nod to the car's sports coupe roots. The doors have been designed with flush handles and a minimalist curve that catches the light just right. The beltline is low, giving a wide-open feel from inside the cabin. Wheel options range from 18-inch turbine-styled rims to premium 20-inch alloys with colored inserts that match the body paint. And speaking of body colors, the palette is stunning. From classic Ghia red and pastel blue to new, bold shades like sunset copper and midnight glacier, there's a color for every kind of enthusiast. Now around the back, the modern retro theme continues. The rear features wide-set, horizontal LED tail lamps that are connected by a light strip, giving it a high-tech vibe while echoing the original Ghia's simplicity. A subtle ducktail spoiler is integrated into the trunk lid, improving downforce without compromising design. Dual exhaust tips, yes, real ones, are finished in brushed aluminum, and they emit a satisfying growl, especially in the performance. Trims. The attention to detail here is impressive, and it's clear that the design team poured their hearts into honoring the past while embracing the present. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a boutique lounge on wheels. The dashboard is clean and elegant, dominated by a sweeping wooden or brushed metal panel depending on your trim. The centerpiece is a 12.9-inch floating infotainment display with haptic feedback and voice recognition seamlessly integrated, with a fully digital 10-inch instrument cluster behind the wheel. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course, along with an onboard AI assistant that learns your driving preferences over time. The seating is a blend of nostalgia and modern luxury. You can choose from leather-trimmed or vegan. Suite options, with contrasting stitching and embossed Ghia logos in the headrests. Front seats are heated and ventilated with memory functions. And surprisingly for a coupe, rear seating isn't just for show. There's genuine legroom thanks to a longer wheelbase, and the panoramic glass roof makes the cabin feel bright and airy. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers two main options. The standard model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, pushing out a respectable 240 horsepower, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. It's nimble, responsive, and incredibly efficient. But for those craving more performance, there's the Ghia GT variant. This beast comes with a hybrid-assisted 2.5-liter inline-5, producing a combined output of 375 horsepower. 0 to 60, just under 4.8 seconds, and thanks to its adaptive suspension and precise steering, it handles winding roads with grace and confidence. Fuel economy is another highlight. The base model delivers an estimated 35 mpg on the highway, while the GT trim with its hybrid system impresses with a 28 mpg combined rating. Regenerative braking, dynamic driving modes, and even a limited all-wheel drive option are available for those who want year-round usability. Now let's talk pricing. The base model starts at around $38,000, which places it comfortably among premium compact coupes. The mid-trim Luxe variant goes for about $44,000, adding more tech and comfort features. The top-tier Ghia GT pushes to nearly $52,000. But honestly, with the level of performance, luxury, and unique design you're getting, it still feels like a value proposition. Optional packages include the Heritage package, which adds chrome, accents, throwback badging, and vintage wheel designs for an extra $2,500. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is not just a rebirth of a classic. It's a reinvention done right. It respects its legacy without being imprisoned by it. It offers style without sacrificing substance. And it brings a sense of individuality back to a segment that often feels too safe. For anyone looking for a coupe that stands out, not just on the road, but in their heart, the new Ghia might just be your next dream car. If you're someone who loves timeless design, modern comfort, and a touch of exclusivity in your daily drive, this car deserves a test spin. Just be ready for the questions and compliments you'll get at every gas station and parking lot. Thanks for tuning in to this in-depth review. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and let me know in the comments. Would you drive the new Ghia, or do you prefer the classics? Until next time, drive safe and keep the passion alive.